Okay, this paper is to find the volume. Okay, volume related to the 3D objects. Okay, find the volume of cube side length 5 centimeters. Okay, before that you have to remember the formula to find the volume of a cube. Okay, to find the volume of a cube, volume equals to length into width into height. Length into width into height. For a cube, all the length, width, height, all those measurements are equal in magnitude. Length, width, height. So 5 centimeter multiplied with 5 centimeter multiplied with 5 centimeter. Okay. You have to multiply 5 thrice. So 5 into 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. The unit is more crucial in these cases. There are three times you should multiply centimeter magnitude. So it should be cubic centimeters. Centimeter to the power of 3 cubic centimeter. Volume is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125 cubic centimeters. Okay. Next, the volume of a cube is 100 centimeter cube. Okay. 100 cubic centimeter. What is the length of each side? Okay. For that, here also you have to use the same measurement. To find the volume of a cube, okay, the measurements are volume equals to all length, width and height. All those are equal. So we can write it as length into length into length. So this is 100 cubic centimeters. Okay, here you have to think which number, what number we have to multiply thrice to get 100. Okay, cube root of 1000. Okay, cube root of 1000. So that should be 10 into 10 into 10. When you find the cube root of this 1000, that should be 10 centimeters. So the what is the length of each side? So length of each side equals to 10 centimeter for this cube. Okay, because the volume is given, that is 1000. Length into length into length, because all those are equal now. So we can conclude like that. So we have to use the same number to multiply thrice. 10 into 10 into 10 will give you 1000. So the length of a side of that given cube is equals to 10 centimeters. Yeah. Okay, now let's see our third question. The area of base of a cuboid 16 centimeter, volume 32 cubic centimeter. Find the height. Okay, to find the area of a cube, we studied two formulas. There are two formulas to find the volume. First one is length into width into height. Length multiplied with width multiplied with height. Otherwise we can use another formula, area of base. Okay, area of base multiplied with height. But in this case, according to the data, the area of base of a cuboid is 16 square centimeters. So that is 16. I'll substitute the given values here. Area of base is 16 square centimeters. We have to find the height, but the volume also given, that is 32 cubic centimeters. 32 cubic centimeters. Okay, here we have to find magnitude of height. Okay, magnitude of height. For that, height and this 16 centimeter square in multiplication relationship. To oppose that, you have to divide. You have to keep this number as a division to the opposite side. So 32 divided by 16, that will give you the exact h value. Here the units are cubic centimeters and square centimeters. 32 divided by 16. 32 divided by 16. 1 16s are 60. 2 16s are 32. 32. Our height for here, our height should be 2 centimeters. How this centimeter came from? Because here you can see this is in cubic centimeter. In the denominator you can see that is in square centimeters. square centimeters. So here there are 3 centimeters. Okay, 3 centimeters. Here there are 2 centimeters. So from the 3 centimeters, okay, not 3. Okay, here what is the expansion of this means centimeter multiplied with centimeter multiplied with centimeter. That should be divided by, I'm only dividing the unit. Centimeter square, no, that means there are 2 centimeter values. Okay, when we simplify this, centimeter and centimeter can be cut off, this centimeter and this centimeter can be cut off. The remaining is only a centimeter value, a centimeter value. That's why I used to use here 2 centimeters. 32 divided by 16 will give you 2 centimeter cube divided by centimeter square. That will give you the magnitude as centimeter. Centimeter. It's equals to 2 centimeters. Find the volume of the cuboid. Okay. Fourth question. To find the volume of a cuboid, we can use the formula length into width into height. Okay, the length 2 meters, width 1 meter, and height that is 1.5 meters. Okay, 1.5 meters. When you multiply all these 3 magnitudes, 2 into 1, 2, and 2 into 1.5, that will give you 3. Okay, 3 unit. Meter into meter, that is cubic meter. 3 cubic meter. Okay. The fifth question also same. Find the capacity of a fish tank. Length 2 meters, breadth 1.5 meters, and height 1 meter. Okay, similar like this question. You can see the magnitudes. 2 into 1 into 1.5. Okay, similarly, the next question also 2 into 1.5 into 1. Okay, there also the volume equals to 3 cubic meters, 3 cubic meters. But the question is asking you to find the capacity. Okay, now we have to think about the relationship between volume and capacity. Volume and capacity. Previously we studied 1 meter cube. Okay, 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. 1000 liters. This is the capacity for this given volume. This is the capacity. Okay, for 1 meter cube, 1000 liters. But here the volume is 3 meter cube, 3 cubic meters. For that, you should multiply 3 times 1000 liters. 3 times 1000 liters. So that will give you 3000 liters. 3000 liters is the answer for this question. Find the capacity of a fish tank. Volume we know, we have to think about the relationship between volume and capacity. So 1 meter cube equals to 1000 liters. Similarly, 3 meter cube equals to 3 times 1000. It's 3000 liters. Okay, find the volume of the cube which each at 6 centimeters. Okay, to find the volume of a cube, okay, volume of a cube, volume equals to length into width into height. So 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. All those are equal for a cube. So 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, it's 216 cubic centimeters. Easy. Direct question. 216 cubic centimeters. Okay. A brick 15 centimeter in height, 8 centimeter in breadth, 5 centimeter in height. How many bricks will be used to make a wall of length 15 meters, breadth 10 meters, and height 8 meters? Okay, for that question, we have to find the volume of a cube. And first of all, you have to find volume of a brick. A brick. Volume of a brick. That is 15 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 5 centimeters. Okay, 15 into 8, 120 into 5, 600 cubic centimeters. 600 cubic centimeters. That is the volume of a brick. Now we have to find volume of a volume of that wall. Okay, volume of that wall in cubic centimeters. Otherwise, we can't relate that because here you can see the measurement sign meters, but the bricks measurements are in centimeters. So you have to convert these meters into centimeters to find the volume of that wall. Okay, for that the length is 15 meters. That means 1500 centimeters. Okay, for the wall, volume of the wall, 15 meters means 1500 centimeters multiplied with 10 meters means 1000 centimeters multiplied with 8 meters. That means 800 centimeters. 800 centimeters. Now we will multiply this measurement. For that, don't confuse, okay? Just write the unit centimeter cube. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 zero digits. And we will multiply the remaining. 15 into 1, 15. 15 into 8, that is 120. 120. 120. Okay, this is the volume of that wall. We know volume of a brick. Here we have to find how many bricks will be used to make the wall. Okay, for that, from the total volume of this wall, we have to divide this by the volume of a brick. Okay, don't confuse with this question. We know the total volume of that wall. Okay, that is a big measurement because the measurements are given in meters. When we need to compare, we have to convert it to the centimeters. So that's why I convert that measurements to centimeters and found the answer as this one. Okay, 120, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have to divide this by using volume of a brick, that is 600. 600. Okay, we will simplify this. Don't confuse with this, just a division, just a division. Here the major thinking, you should think you have to convert meters into centimeters. If you did that, remaining stuff are very easy. Okay, this 0 and this 0 can be simplified, these two. 12 and 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6s are 12. Then the remaining answer is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, bricks. We need totally 2 million bricks. 2 million numbers of bricks to 2 million number of bricks to uh, make that total wall. Okay, this is a huge number. This is a huge number. Be aware of your steps. Okay, be aware of your steps. Okay, now let's discuss the third question. A pond. Okay, for a pond, the measurements are given. 50 meter long, 30 meter wide, and 2 meter deep. Find the capacity of this pond in cubic meters. Okay, we will find the capacity. For that, you should find the volume of that pond. So, volume 50 meters multiplied with 30 meters multiplied with the height that is indicated as depth. Okay, that is 2 meters. When you multiply all these, 0, 0, 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. 30. Okay. 3000 cubic meters. Okay, 3000 cubic meters. We know for 1 cubic meter, that is indicating the capacity as 1000 liters. Similarly, here for 3000 cubic meters, we have to multiply. For 1, it's 1000. For 3000, you should multiply 3000 times 1000 liters. 3000 times 1000 liters. Okay, these are look some big numbers. Don't confuse with this. These are for your practice. Okay, now we will write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to the standard notation, you have to leave a space between these numbers. So 3 ones are 3. The capacity of that pond is 3 million liters of water. 3 million liters of water. You have to find the volume in meter cube, then convert to liters to find the capacity respectively.